Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. Again, I'm going to talk about the Embracer stock, which is up today 3.68% on some rumor. So you heard already, this was last time, my friends, this was last time here, media report on potential Saber sale fuels Embracer shares, so shares in Embracer rise 8% after a media report saying the Swedish gaming group is to sell Saber Interactive, the developer of a new Star Wars game remake. Citing a person familiar with the transaction, Bloober said in its report on Thursday that Embracer is to sell the studio to a group of private investors in a deal worth up to $500 million. So asked about the potential sale, Embracer told Reuters it does not comment on rumors or speculation. So we're still there. Jeffrey sees the potential Saber sale as needed given it will overnight cure Embracer's balance sheet problem. Such transformative deals, if executed in cash, would by and large erase Embracer's debt issues. The brokerage adds that Embracer shares are on track for the best day since August 23. So guys, those were the rumors. So here I can also show you on Steam. Yeah, here on Steam, so that's Saber, not Cyber, that's Saber Interactive. That's their Steam page. So they make some pretty cool games and games that people really like a lot. So if they're going to be sold, so I'm going to be actually a little bit sad as an Embracer shareholder. I mean, still look at this chart. It's terrible. So the new rumors is that if you go on the Saber the Saber homepage, that there is nothing written anymore about Embracer, that they're part of Embracer. So this disappeared. So, and then if you then look here on Twitter, some lookers on Twitter was posting then this picture from before, and here they write, so we are one of the key operative business units of Embracer Group, which is true, that if they have not been sold. So the rumor is that they have been sold already, so that the deal is done and they're going to announce it, and probably in the coming days, weeks, if this is really the case. So here it's true, they change it and nothing is written anymore about their connection to Embracer. And this is really also true if you go through the whole page. So I went to the whole page and I looked for this connection, then I looked for Embracer here in the end user license agreement. Also I saw nothing. So it's possible that the deal is done, that someone knows, some web developer knows already that the deal is done, and that it's now already taken down from the website. But then on the other hand, my friend, so I went on the Twitter page myself. So this is now for myself. I was looking on the Twitter page, Saber Interactive, and here they still write developer and publisher, established 2001, and an Embracer Group company. So still write it there. So here they still write it. On the homepage, it seems to have disappeared. So homepage, no homepage developer, designer, whatever, creator knows more, and then the Twitter guy. So is this possible? It's very difficult. I mean, that's just speculations now, but based on this article, the media reports potential Saber sale fuels Embracer shares. So based on those speculation and rumors, it's very much possible that this means something. So, and on this news alone, my friends, on this news alone, or this rumor, sorry, I keep it correct, on this speculation and rumors alone, people say, yeah, the stock pumped like 3.68%. So what do you think? Is this a possibility, my friends? Is this really possible? So are we going actually to find here some sort of a downward resistance line, a support line, better said? Are we going to find this now around about 16, 17, or do you think are we going further down? I mean, overall the chart looks terrible, and selling then Saber, honestly, I don't know. I mean, this Jurassic Park Survival looks great. Space Marine 2 cooperation with publisher Focus Entertainment. Also here with Focus, John Carpenter's Toxic Commander. Quiet Place, yeah, I'm not so interested, I guess, in this. Expeditions, Mod Runner game. Cool, good games, my friends, and also previous games, good games. So I don't know if it's so smart of Embracer to sell actually one of their best companies that people really like. So I'm really not sure that's so smart, my friends. So, all right, so rumors push stock up. Are rumors going to be confirmed? How is the stock going to react if the rumors are confirmed? Just imagine now. If it's going to be confirmed tomorrow, when the stock now already goes up 3.68%, then in a very short time, would the stock then go up even further? So I don't know. I mean, honestly, sometimes you think then the stock would go up, and the stock is completely doing the opposite. I mean, this happened more than one time. Therefore, my friend, so I'm not going to trade this. I'm not going to trade this, and I'm not going to tell you it's going up or down or to trade this. So please take care of your money. I mean, if you're an investor in Embracer, like me, you also already lost some money in this stock. So therefore, take care, do your own research also on the numbers. Here you find the numbers on the investor page, so that's always important. But I'm more curious what you think about those speculation and rumors that it already happened, that the sell of Saber already happened. So that's the rumor. So write it down below. See you next time. Bye bye.